Today, we're counting down the 10 best places to visit in Italy, a country where every town, coastline, and mountain has a story to tell. Get ready for a visual feast, from historic landmarks to breathtaking landscapes. Stay tuned, because our number one pick is a natural wonder that will make you want to pack your bags immediately. At number 10, Cinque Terre. These 5 villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, are linked by steep hiking trails and connected by their love for the sea. Each village offers its own unique charm. The beachside appeal of Monterosso, Vernazza's iconic harbor, and Manarola's famous cliffside views are unforgettable. Don't miss the Via dell'Amore, or Lover's Lane, a scenic path that links some of the villages. This region's rugged coastline is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. It's a place that looks and feels like nowhere else on Earth. Number 9 brings us to Verona, the city of romance. While Juliet's Balcony is a popular stop, the real treasures lie in Verona's historical sites. The Verona Arena, an ancient Roman amphitheater still in use today, is a spectacular venue for open-air operas under the stars. Wander around Piazza delle Erbe, a lively market square where you can experience daily Italian life, with locals selling produce, flowers, and more. For art lovers, the Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore holds some beautiful frescoes. Verona may be lesser known, but it's packed with Italian charm and history. At number 8, the Amalfi Coast is pure Mediterranean magic. The town of Positano, with its pastel houses climbing up the cliffs, feels like a fairy tale. Amalfi itself is home to the striking Amalfi Cathedral, a marvel of medieval architecture with a grand staircase that's perfect for photos. Driving the winding Amalfi Coast Road offers breathtaking views, but if you prefer a slower pace, take a boat trip along the coast. Every vista here is picture-perfect, with charming villages and lush lemon groves adding to the coastal beauty. Florence. At number 7 is a treasure trove of Renaissance art and architecture. The Florence Cathedral, or Duomo, with its iconic red-tiled dome designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline. Inside, the frescoed ceiling is awe-inspiring. Don't miss Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery, a masterpiece of human expression carved from marble. The Uffizi Gallery houses works by Leonardo da Vinci, Botticelli, and Raphael. Florence is a city where art history comes alive, and each landmark tells a part of Italy's story. Number 6 takes us to Sicily, where ancient ruins meet modern culture. The Valley of the Temples, a vast archaeological site in Agrigento, showcases some of the best preserved Greek temples outside of Greece. Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, offers adventurous hikes and, on clear days, incredible views from the summit. Taormina, a picturesque hilltop town, features the Greek theater, which overlooks the sea and offers performances in a stunning historical setting. Sicily's landmarks are as diverse as its landscapes. Number 5. Venice is a city unlike any other. St. Mark's Basilica, with its Byzantine domes and golden mosaics, is a symbol of Venice's rich history. Take a boat ride down the Grand Canal to see palaces that have stood for centuries, each telling tales of Venetian nobility. Don't miss the Bridge of Sighs, where legend says couples will find everlasting love if they kiss under it. Venice's unique landmarks are a testament to the city's former glory as a maritime republic, making it one of the most fascinating destinations in Italy. Milan, at number 4, is a blend of historic landmarks and modern elegance. The Duomo di Milano, a Gothic masterpiece, is known for its detailed facade and rooftop views of the city. The nearby Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is one of the world's oldest shopping malls, where you'll find high-end fashion and elegant cafes. Milan's landmarks showcase a unique mix of art, fashion, and history. Taking the number 3 spot is Tuscany, known for its rolling hills and iconic landmarks. In Siena, the medieval Piazza del Campo hosts the Palio horse race twice a year, drawing visitors from around the world. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a marvel of medieval engineering, tilted in a way that defies gravity. And in the Chianti region, you'll find lush vineyards that produce some of Italy's best wines. Tuscany's landmarks capture the essence of Italian tradition and beauty, making it a timeless destination. Number 2 is the Eternal City, Rome, along with the Vatican. The Colosseum, an ancient arena where gladiators once fought, is an iconic symbol of Rome's imperial past. Vatican City, the heart of the Catholic Church, is home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes cover the ceiling in intricate detail. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck, and take a moment to admire its Baroque beauty. Rome's landmarks are a journey through history, offering an experience unlike any other. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dolomites. Trecime di Lavaredo, or the Three Peaks, are a famous trio of mountains that attract hikers and photographers alike. Lake Braise, with its crystal-clear waters, offers one of the most serene views in Italy, where you can row across the lake surrounded by towering peaks. Explore charming alpine villages like Cortina d'Ampezzo, known for its winter sports and cozy mountain lodges. The Dolomites' natural landmarks are a paradise for adventure lovers and anyone seeking a slice of Italian tranquility.